Hi students, so today we are discussing our question paper. So in this, which are easy, which you can do, I am not solving. Remaining only I am solving. Remaining all are there in our material, or we solved. I gave the concept also. First question concept also I gave. Just I am giving because that model is not there in our book. First question: a charge of 10 power minus 9 coulomb is placed on each of the 64 identical drops of radius 2 centimeters. They are then combined to form a bigger drop. Find its potential. What is the bigger drop potential formula? E is equal to n power 2 by 3 V. So bigger drop capacitance, bigger drop potential, bigger drop charge, like that, energy, all these we discussed. I gave some formulas, matching. One question came, matching. So there we got this formula. How many drops? N drops. N means here 64 drops. So what is potential formula? V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. Charge value they give. Charge value how much they give? 10 power minus 9. What is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught value? 9 into 10 power 9. Charge value they gave 10 power minus 9. Radius they gave 2 centimeters. 2 into 10 power minus 2 meters. If you cancel this one, so 9 by 2 into 10 square is going to numerator. So 9 by 2 means this will be cancelled 50 times. Small v is 450. Then what is n value? 64 drop. Substitute here. V is equal to n value 64 whole power 2 by 3 into 4. 64 can be written as 4 cube. 4 cube only. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Cube will be cancelled. 4 square. So 16 into 450. So you can do, you will be getting the answer. Okay, 7.2 into 10 cube. Next, second question. See the second question, a charge 5 coulomb experiences a force of 5000 newtons. When it is kept in uniform electric field, what is the potential difference between 2 points separated by distance 1 centimeter? So they are asking potential difference and they give separation. This is the relation. E is equal to V by D or V is equal to ED. So E means force acting on charge. E is equal to F by Q. So force 5000, charge value they give 5 coulombs. And the distance how much they give? 1 centimeter they give. Centimeters always we should convert into meters. This 5, 1 time 1000. So 10 cube into 10 power minus 2. 10. So 10 volts. That is option 1. Third question you came to know in PU only. So two unlike charges of magnitude Q are separated by distance 2D. That is dipole. Electric dipole at center potential is 0. They are asking potential at midpoint. I am not discussing that one. That is theory question. Next, fourth one. Two metal spheres of radii R1 R2 are charged to the same potential. The ratio of charges on the spheres. After the same potential means V1 is equal to V2. So one sphere radius R1, another sphere radius R2. So both are having same potential. Then what is the ratio of the charges? Potential formula Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R1. Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R2. This one will be cancelled. Q1 by Q2 is equal to R1 by R2. Option 2 is correct. Okay. Next, the fifth one already we discussed in PU where the potential is going to be 0. So sixth one also direct formula. Seventh one also you came to know. Eighth one also you came to know directly. I am solving ninth one. The displacement of charge Q in the electric field is capital E there. The work and E is R cap. So E is equal to, so ninth one. Capital E is equal to E1 I cap plus E2 J cap plus E3 K cap. R cap is equal to AI cap plus BJ cap. What is the work done they are asking? What is the work done formula? Force into displacement. Here force means EQ. According to this one, E is equal to F by Q. Then F is equal to QE S. So Q into here E means E bar. S means they will write F bar dot S bar. So Q into E bar value multiply. I cap into I cap means A E1, E2 J J. Therefore plus B E2. J K capital is not there. Therefore 0. This is the work done equation. A E1 plus B E2. That is 9th question. See the 10th question. That is also direct equation. An electron of mass m1 charge is accelerated from rest through a potential difference V in vacuum. The final speed of the electron. Final speed means it is gaining kinetic energy. So work done. So work done W is equal to changing kinetic energy. Work energy theorem in our first period. So V is equal root 2EV by m. This V is potential. That is the direct formula. Next 11th one. 11th one also on same equation. Alpha particle is accelerated to a potential difference of 200 volts. The increase in kinetic energy. Increase in kinetic energy means work done. E is equal to EV. So charge. What is the charge value? Charge of the alpha particle. Here E means electron. Charge means QE. Alpha particle charge how much? Helium 2. So 2E into V. 2E means potential value 200 they get. So 200 into 2 EV. So 400 EV. 400 electron volt. That is 11th question answer. Next time. 12th question. So 12th question, there are two equal potential surfaces as shown in the diagram. The distance between them is R. The charge minus Q coulomb is taken from surface A to surface B. The resultant work done. Both are equipotential surfaces. Therefore, work done is 0. Next, 13th one. 13th one on first model same, but here they are asking capacitance. Capacity formula you have to use. C is equal to m power 1 by 3C. Next remaining all we discussed in our material. Next is the 19th one. I will give the key. At the end I will give easily. 19th one. The capacitance of an air capacitor is 50 microfarad. Remaining all are in our manual are there, already we discussed. Therefore I am not solving. The capacitance of an air capacitor is 15 microfarad. The separation between the parallel plates is 3 mm. What is the capacity formula? P is equal to epsilon naught A by. The C value 15 microfarad. Epsilon naught A by. Separation how much? 6 mm. 6 into 10 power minus 3. Next, a copper plate of 3 mm thickness is introduced symmetrically between the plates. The capacitance now becomes. Copper plate introduced means C dash equal to epsilon naught A by D minus T. They introduce only 3 mm. Therefore, 6 minus 3, you will get epsilon naught A by 6 minus 3 how much? 3 mm. 3 into 10 power minus. They are asking the C dash value. So, this by equation 1 by equation. This by this means 15 into 10 power minus 6 by C dash equal to epsilon naught A by 6 into 10 power minus 3 into 3 into 10 power minus 3 by epsilon naught A. Let's reverse. These two will be cancelled. 6 by 3 means 2. 2 into 15. So 30 into 10 power minus 6 is equal to C dash. That is nothing but 30 microfarad. That is question number 19 answer. Okay. So 19th one is option 4. So you can check here. This is the key for all questions. But I am solving only some of the questions. Which one may be new for you? You cannot solve remaining or you can do. Already we did on our material also. Therefore I am not discussing all those. 21 also we discussed. 22 also you came to know. Just I am giving hint I am giving. So 3 capacitors of capacitance 3, 9, 18 are connected in series. And another time in parallel. The ratio of equivalent capacitance in two cases. They are asking CS by CP. What is CP formula? C1 plus C2 plus C3. CS formula. 1 by CS equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. C1, C2 they give 3, 9, 18. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 18. This is 3 plus 9 plus 18. So you can find resultant value CS. You will get 1 by CS. You have to reverse. They are asking CS by C. The CS value you can substitute here. The CP value you can substitute. You will be getting answer 1 is to 15. 23 also we did common potential. What is the common potential formula? 23. This time we did C1V1 plus C2V2 by C1 plus C2. So they are given potential difference D is applied across it. Then the potential difference across C1. Only C1 they are asking. Then C2V2 by C2V by C1 plus C2. So they are connected in series. Not common potential. C1, C2 they connected. So they are asking what is the potential across C1. This one already we discussed in theory. Okay, concept wise. 24, option 3, very direct formula. 25, 26, 27, all these we discussed in our PO class. Therefore, I am not solving. So, see the 28. So, 28 question. So, just they gave 3 capacitors like this. 13, 5, 1. So, another one. They gave here 17, remaining 10. Here 6, here 1. So they are asking find the equivalent capacitance between AB. They are asking. See here how these two connect. So here one is connected, here one is connected. 2, 2. So these two connected in parallel. Like that, these two connected in parallel. Parallel means what is the formula? C1 plus C2. 17 plus 13. How much? 17 plus 13. 7 plus 3. 10. 1, 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 30. Here we are getting capacity 30. This 5 is 5 only. So here we are getting 30. Next. Where this 30 is going to connect here for 10. 10 only? Yeah. And these 2 points connected like this. Isn't it? Next. Below 1. This below 1. Here 13, here going to come 6 up to here. Isn't it? 6 only. But this 5 is connecting from here, not from A. 5 is connecting between here only. Next. From A, 6 is coming. From A, 6 is coming. This is going and connecting here. How 1 and 1 connected? Parallel. 1 plus 1, 2 you got here. 2 second end is connected for B. So, first end is connected for 5. Therefore, from where it is coming? Again, I will draw clearly. Here we are getting 2 micron. Again, 6 is going and connecting. Okay, just see. This is 30, 10. This is 6, 2. Next here. So from here 5 is coming, and where it is going? It is going to 6. Therefore this line. So this is only we can draw like this. So you can't understand if it is like this. Therefore we are drawing in the form of distance 30, 10. In between these 2 points, in between 30 and 10 means this point, which is there 5 is there. This is 6, 2, A, B. So this is like this. Finally it will be coming like this. Now see the condition, distance condition. 30 by 10. How much? 3. 6 by 2. How much? 3. Therefore this one will be removed. Removed means how 30 and 10 connected? In series. 6 and 2 connected in series. How these two connected? Parallel. So 30 into 10 by 40. Series formula. So 30 by 4. 6 into 2 by 8. 3 by, so how these two connected means parallel. Parallel means the 3 by 4 plus 3 by 2 you can add, you will be getting the answer. Next question number 29. 29 also easy only, they are asking energy stored. So 4 and 4, center 4 and 4 connected in parallel. Parallel means 4 plus 4 8. Now 4 8 4 is connected in series. Find the resultant capacity. Energy stored in capacity formula of CB square. They gave in L's. We will get in joules. We have to convert into L's. 1 joule equal to how many X? 1 joule is equal to 10 power 7 X. You should multiply. Next 30th, I think you may have solved. Just I am giving C. Another one. Fourth one also C. So from here it is B. So this is A. So find the resultant capacity between A and B there are. How these three connected? C. So these three connected in series. Series means C by 3, isn't it? This is C by 3. This is C. So this end is connected here. Okay. So this one they have given from here capacitance. From here capacitance means this is B, this is C. How these two are connected? One connected at A, two connected at B. One connected at A, two connected at B. So it will be like this. One connected at A, two connected at B. So parallel. Parallel means this value is C by 3. C by 3 plus C. C by 3 plus C or C by 3. Option 4. So this is the total key. So you can check once how many marks you got. We will also send you. So you don't need to wait till we send how many marks you got. You can show for your parents also how many marks you got by showing this key. You don't need to hide the key for your parents. You don't need to wait from our side only. They have to send. Still they didn't send. You don't say like that. You can show this one and you can get, your heart will be coming to know how many marks you got. Okay.